Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites because skipping this wastes time. Check the card type, NFC versus magnetic stripe or a SIM-based payment card, and make sure your phone supports the required tech. Once done, install the issuer's app or your mobile wallet and sign in. Use the exact details on the card. Make sure the phone battery is above 20% and that wireless features are enabled. This gets you into the correct state and starts the secure pairing immediately. You now initiate the actual connection by opening the app and selecting Add Card or Pair. Follow on-screen prompts, tap for NFC, scan the card with camera, or enter details manually. Grant permissions when asked so the app can use Bluetooth or NFC. When prompted, complete identity checks, enter the CVC, accept a one-time password, or upload a photo ID. These steps authorize the tokenization. Once you finish, the app will request confirmation to store a digital version. You finish by verifying tokenization and making a small contactless test payment to confirm the card appears in the wallet. If it fails, first toggle NFC or Bluetooth, restart the phone, and try re-adding the card. Make sure airplane mode is off and the app is updated. If problems persist, contact your card issuer for authorization holds or block tokens. Finally, make sure device-level security, like PIN or biometrics, is enabled so the digital card remains protected and usable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.